your feelings will probably never or very rarely, if ever, cooperate with your dreams. That's what we're going to talk about today, your feelings, your dreams. And one of the reasons that I discovered I was not where I wanted to be, maybe you can resonate with some of this things going on within my cerebellum brain area. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Shut up. And the reason I do these videos is on my business journey, I learn a lot of things, then I unlearn a lot of things. Sometimes I thought I knew this, and then it's like, oh, I really didn't know shit. So it's always my evolution, and I thought I'd share my journey with you. Okay, feelings and dreams. You know what's crazy is I discovered or realized that I have these dreams. I have these places I want to be, whether it's physical, kind of get in there. Oh shit! Like, oh my God, not hurting in the physical area anymore because I stick with it. But when I look at my physical, going to the gym, working out, dieting, etc., my feelings very rarely in the beginning ever wanted to go to the gym. I did not want to go to the gym. I felt fat. I didn't want to be there, felt people were judging me. I saw other people much more fit than I still am. But, you know, I didn't want to go to the gym. I did not want to wake up. I did not want to go. It's cold, it's hot, it's windy, it's rainy, whatever the reason may be. But my dream was to be a freaking Calvin Klein model with my six-pack. That was my dream. But my feelings were, don't go to the gym, watch Netflix. Just one more. Come on, you can have that ice cream. You can have some of these donuts, right? My feelings were not congruent with my dreams. Are you feeling me with this? Are you feeling me? Because my feelings weren't feeling my dreams. So I'm hoping you're feeling this. And it's crazy because, and I saw this quote today. I saw this somewhere. It says, your feelings will never cooperate with your dreams. So whatever your dreams are, if your feelings are not congruent with that, F your feelings. The work needs to be done. If I want to be in better shape and I don't feel like going to the gym, will I accomplish my dreams? Highly unlikely. But when I do the work that is required of me to reach my dream, whether I feel like it or not, only then is it more probable that I will either accomplish my dream, get closer to my dream, approach my dream, but be in the vicinity of my dream. Are you feeling me? And the same thing with business. So many times I work with estheticians. Wait, I hate the way I look on video. I hate the way I sound. Listen to me. I'm looking at my face right now on the screen, and I feel I look like an idiot half the times. I hear my own voice, and I'm just like, dude, you're gonna reach puberty one day, and maybe the voice will deepen. Not today, but maybe one day. So I don't feel like doing these videos. I don't like looking at my own. It's like, okay, wait, let me turn this way. Is this my good side? If I had to be that judgmental on how I looked or how I sounded, I would never have even made a video. At some point, I just had to ditch my feelings and just say, this is who I am. This is what I look like from this angle, from this angle, from this angle, from this angle. Well, any freaking angle you want of me, that is just what I look like. That is it. I'm not going to put a filter on it. I'm not going to fake it till I make it. I just have this information that has helped me out, and I'm hoping it will do the same for you. And there might be some people that judge me on how I look or how I sound, but do I want those people as my clients? No. So you on the same, if you're on the same or similar journey as I am in terms of getting more clients, increasing my business, making more money, just to be proud of myself, right? I just want to be proud of myself that I was able to do or accomplish something. Then at some point, if that is your dream, whatever your dream may be, your feelings, just understand this, right? And I'm hoping this will resonate with you. To understand yourself is to understand what is helping you and what is hurting you, and just to know that information, because once you know it, you can adjust your life according. If you go, okay, this is my dream, but these activities, binge watching Netflix, spending so much more time watching YouTube, endlessly scrolling through social media, whatever it may be, blah, blah, blah. You know, those are things that you may enjoy doing, because I enjoy doing them, but they are not incongruent with my dreams. When I started calculating and looking at how much time I'm wasting, you know, hours and hours and hours a day on endless social media scroll, man, that TikTok thing could just be there for freaking ever, right? 1 hour of television here, you know, watching some other stuff, you know, just cleaning things when I should be working on things. And then I realized, dude, I just spent 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours a day, that if I focused and was constructive with it, is all the time I needed to be closer to my dreams. So when I realized that my feelings are actually rarely cooperating with my dreams, right? It just rarely is. And now I go, okay, so that's the truth. My feelings are not my friends in this realm, right? There's other things, whatever. I'm not trying to get too spiritual or well, you trust your feelings and trust. It's like I'm not talking about all that. I'm just talking about my feelings to do something to get towards my dream, which are often not helping. They're actually hurting, right? So I realized that about myself, and I just got to that point where, okay, it doesn't matter if I feel like doing this or not. You know, you may not feel like posting on social media, but the more you do it, the better you get at it, the more business you get, and hopefully that is where you want to be, and getting closer to reaching your dreams of business success, getting more clients, getting more high-end clients, higher ticket sales, things of that sort, wherever your dream of your business is, and where you want to be. So realize that your feelings will rarely, if ever, cooperate with your dreams, because in order for you to reach your dreams, if your dreams are like mine, there's something that I haven't accomplished yet. And in order to do something and reach an area that I have not done yet, I have to go through the valley of fear. Because I have to go through the unknown. I have to do things I have not done yet to get to a place where I haven't been yet. And hopefully that makes sense to you. So, and when you're going through that journey of unknown, of fear, then your feelings are going to try to protect you. Like, no, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll do that next week. We'll do that next month. We'll do that next year. And then you realize a decade has gone by, and you're kind of stagnant, just like I have been in many areas of my life, right? So realize that, understand that about you. Are your feelings incongruent with your dreams? If so, congratulations, awesome blossom. You should be doing no less than 250 grand a year. If that's the case, if you are not doing about 250 grand a year, your feelings are not congruent with your dreams, and you're leaving a lot on the table. So feelings, doesn't matter if you feel like it or not. With me, I don't feel like doing this work. I don't feel like cleaning my office. I don't feel like doing paperwork, but it is required for me to reach the success where I need to be. And hopefully you too. Be amazing, because being amazing pays well. Do the work, whether you want to or not. F your feelings, just get it done. Cool. Peace. Oh my God, I just burped.